Welcome guys, in this video I am with ZTE Axon 30 5G and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode works in the smartphone. So first of all, we have to open the camera application and you will start from the photo mode, just like that. And to open the pro mode, you have to go for the more and then you have to click on the manual mode. And as you can see, when you enter right here, we can find this bar at the bottom where we can find at the first shutter speed, ISO, exposure compensation, white balance, that's camera timer, and the last option is focus. When you click on the screen also, just like that, you can lock the focus, and you can also enable this camera. I just forgot. Camera flashlight. Okay, sorry guys for that. So let's start from this adjustment. That's the shutter speed. We can set it up for the 30 seconds. That's how we can adjust manually and automatically. Another one, it's ISO. That's the same. We can move slider to adjust manually and automatically right here. The next option is the only feature that we can adjust manually. That's exposure compensation. The white balance, we can find presets and automatic adjustment. Right here, that's the 60-second delay. That's a lot. And that's the last option, that's the focus. So we can manually set focus on the objects that we want. Okay, and that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.